So hey guys, welcome back to Azif Creations again. So today I have learned something very interesting guys, that is to solve this Rubik's Cube. In this video, let's see how much time I take to solve the cube. So here I have set a timer in the laptop guys, and first of all let's shuffle this. So guys, this thing is fully shuffled, you can see it. Yep. So let's do it. Okay, so 3, 2, 1 and go. Yep, 55 seconds guys. So yes, it's fully solved guys. Yeah. So thanks for watching this video, and hope you like seeing me doing this amazing Rubik's Cube. And so this is the best record. So see you next video. Bye. So guys, Ifra is gonna solve this cube. Number light shuffle பண்ணி தரலாம் பண்றாளான்னு பாப்போம். Okay. So light. So Ifra, first complete the white and do it.